enable call recording onto your Android in a legal way. This video, I'm going to teach you how users can use the built-in feature responsibly for personal call recordings. You can record your calls and voice recording tips as well. Once again, for that, you'll have to head over to your settings. And from here, you're gonna head over to enable call recording. Either just type that up or search it manually if you will. We're gonna type it up and either we're gonna type up call recording, and then we're gonna ensure that there's compliance with the local recording laws before using this feature. Just go to call if there's no recording option. Oftentimes, if you cannot find this specific thing into your settings right here, you can find it from your phone as well. Now, phone calls, like here, app information, you can find it from here. So this is the one. Here you can specifically head over to the call automatically resend the text, default caller ID and spam call logs. There's a permission manager here, calls, and then you're gonna simply turn on the call recording right here into the call log section. So yeah, this is it. This is how you can make the most out of your Android phones to even have call recordings on your phone.